Hey everyone, welcome back to Alta Finance. Today we're diving into the world of mutual funds. Now, if you're scratching your head thinking, what on earth is a mutual fund? Don't worry, I've got you covered. By the end of this video, you'll be a mutual fund expert. So, let's start with the basics. What exactly is a mutual fund? Well, think of it like a big pot of money collected from a bunch of investors like you and me. This money is then managed by professional fund managers who invest it in a variety of assets, like stocks, bonds, or a mix of both. Imagine you want to invest in the stock market but don't have the time or expertise to pick individual stocks. That's where mutual funds come in handy. They allow you to invest in a diversified portfolio without the hassle of researching and picking individual investments. Now, one key thing to understand about mutual funds is the concept of diversification. This simply means spreading your money across different types of investments to reduce risk. So even if one investment in the fund doesn't perform well, your overall investment is less likely to take a big hit. Of course, with any investment, there's always some level of risk involved. But the good news is, mutual funds come in different flavors, each with its own level of risk and potential return. For example, there are conservative funds that focus on safer investments like bonds, and there are more aggressive funds that aim for higher returns by investing in stocks. Now, let's talk about fees. Like any service, mutual funds come with costs, and it's important to understand what you're paying for. One common fee is the expense ratio, which covers the fund's operating expenses. It's usually expressed as a percentage of your investment, so the lower the better. So, to wrap it all up, mutual funds are a great way for people to invest in the stock market. They offer diversification, professional management and flexibility to suit your risk tolerance and investment goals. Plus, they're relatively easy to buy and sell, making them a popular choice for both beginners and seasoned investors alike. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Alta Finance for more money smart tips.